Kids in Arkansas are working to find their rhythm when it comes to the new school year, but there's another faction of students also having to adjust to the new year, the virtual crowd. Jay Burr joining us virtually, at least. I like how you did that, Jay. How are virtual students navigating this first week of school?
Why is it important to the book?
One of the Arkansas Virtual Academy's biggest challenges right now is the enrollment process. They have around 3,500 students registered for the new year, which is close to what they had at the height of COVID last year.
The main danger of the piece.
There are 1,100 more applications being processed as parents are weighing the pros and cons of sending their kids to brick and mortar schools.
Lots of folks still trying to make decisions even in the first few weeks of school.
Amy Johnson is the head of the academy and says educating people on how everything works is one of their big focuses early in the year.
Normally, we're just really just helping families navigate, whether it's understanding the platform, how to access, what all the bells and whistles are.
They have a team of people to assist parents and students. She says they have had a large boost in enrollment the past couple of years, and they want to make sure families, not just students, understand how it all works.
To help families really acclimate to what it really means to be educated virtually.
Johnson says they have not had any server or internet issues from their standpoint. They are backed by the national company Stride K-12 to assist them because they would not be able to handle the amount of students locally.
All of our server space, all of those internet pieces, we have just a huge infrastructure that allows us to support that.
Johnson says those have been the only real issues they've dealt with early on, unless you also count having to get up a little earlier than during the summer break.
The hope of a people for
pretty typical experience for our students to start the year, and so far it's been pretty smooth.
And as always, there are technical issues. Hopefully we'll see Jay a little later. The teachers at the academy put a big emphasis on engagement and interaction, so all students, especially ones new to virtual, can also have the social aspect of going back to school.